Hello. Journey to Your Inner Child is like no other workshop you've been on before. It's like no other workshop that I've facilitated before. I've actually been waiting for about 12 months to be ready to present Fast Track for kids to adults. And after a profound healing journey I had by myself with the Fast Track Kids cards about 3 weeks ago, I knew that we were ready to bring this out and to help 8 lucky people go on a journey, a transformational journey to heal your inner child. What is that going to look like? Well, I'm not 100% sure. I have a plan, I have a worksheet, but of course it's going to depend on the individuals that show up. But guaranteed it's going to go deep, it's going to be very emotional. And to allow us to go to the deepest levels of where you need to go, we're all also incorporating some young living oils. The release oil and inner child oil. As I say that, I'm getting the shivers. So there are only 8 places available. It's going to rock your boat. So if this appeals to you, please sign up now so you won't be disappointed. There will never ever be another first journey to inner child with Fast Track for kids. So you need to be over 18 to go on this journey. I'll see you on the day. Bye-bye.